Juicy shrimps coated with shredded coconut, fried to a delicious crisp, and serve it with wonderful spicy mango sauce. I have food processor. We're going to put everything in here. Mango, cilantro, red onion, fish sauce, coconut cream is gonna make the mango sauce creamier, and some red chili. If you want your mango sauce spicier, you can add more chili. Puree until everything is smooth. Transfer to a bowl. Season it with salt just to make it more flavorful. Stir it. And set this aside. Let's start preparing the coconut shrimps. For the shrimps, these are cleaned and deveined already, but I kept the tails on. We're going to season it with salt and pepper. Okay, mix it well. Just going to set it aside and wash my hands. Let's prepare our breading station. I have 2 eggs. Whisk the eggs. Set it aside. And now we're going to mix our breadcrumbs and desiccated coconut. Add a pinch of salt so that your breading doesn't taste bland. And mix it well. Our breading station is ready. We have the eggs, the dry mixture, and prepare a baking tray. Let's start with the shrimps. Dip it into the eggs, 2 at a time. And then dry mixture. All the shrimps are coated with the breading. Let's start frying them. Add the oil. Turn on the heat to medium. It's ready. Fry the shrimps in batches, like about 5 to 6 pieces. For the size of the shrimps, cook it for 1 minute on each side, and don't overcook your shrimps because it will taste rubber. When they're starting to curl like letter C and turn to golden brown, then you can tell it's perfectly cooked. Drain the shrimps with paper towel to remove excess oil. Garnish the mango sauce with some cilantro and some chili.